In this video, we will introduce ImageButton. ImageButton displays a button with an image instead of text that can be pressed or clicked by the user. By default, an image button looks like a regular button with the standard button background that changes color during different button states. The image on the surface of the button is defined either by the Android source attribute in the XML element or by the setImageResource int method. To remove the standard background image on a button, define your own background image or set the background color to be transparent. Let's look at a basic example. Here I have my main3.xml in the layout folder. I'm going to add an image button component and attributes. The first thing I'm going to do is add the ID ImageButton1. Then I'm going to set the layout and the width to both be wrap content. Finally, I'm going to add the Android source. And it's going to be in one of the drawable folders. And the image name is Android button. Now that I have my component set up, let's take a look at the app3 activity. Here we can see that I have the image button as an instance variable. I'm calling my setContentView within the onCreate method, which inflates my UI from the main3.xml. And then I'm calling my method addListenerOnButton. Within this addListenerOnButton, I'm getting a reference to the component using the findViewById for my image button. On this image button, I'm setting an onClick listener, and within it, I'm just executing a toast message which says image button is clicked. Now let's take a look at our functionality. I already have the Android emulator up and running. I also have already installed my app on the emulator. If you want to run the emulator on your project, right click on the project, select Run As, and then Android Application. So here I have my image button, and I'm going to click it. And we can see the message image button is clicked. This concludes our discussion of ImageButton.